The Chevy Malibu made between 2016 and 2018 had the confirmed problem with the gas pedal position sensor, and this gas pedal position sensor is the integral part of the gas pedal unit. So when you have this problem that it shows engine power reduced warning on the dash, it means that the problem is with the gas pedal position sensor and you may need to replace the entire unit. And there was a compensation program, and people call this recall, but it's not actually recall, and this compensation program doesn't work anymore, so you will need to pay for the replacement of this gas pedal. And I've also seen sometimes that the gas pedal position sensor and the throttle position sensor were malfunctioning, and they both had to be replaced to solve this issue. Now, this mostly happens on highways when you're going with a certain speed for a long time and the gas pedal stops working and you get the limp mode. So the speed is limited, the power is limited, and what I recommend you do is just exit the highway as soon as possible, turn off the car, let it sit for a while, turn it on again and check if this problem disappears, because you may go out of limp mode and you may continue driving. It's not fixing the issue at all, it's just giving you some time to drive to the dealership. So there is the service bulletin, and I will leave the number of this service bulletin in the description, and it will probably help you if your dealership doesn't know about the issue. It costs about $200 to replace the gas pedal unit, so fortunately it's not something with the transmission as people start thinking, or with the engine. It's just the tiny thing that you need to replace.